Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to access settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Keyboard. From here you need to tap on Theme. Now choose Show More over here to see all available ones, and when you're done, you can click on one of those images. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!